We want to present the life cycle of a tea turtle. The tea turtle life cycle starts when a female lays its egg on a nesting beach, usually in the tropics. Previously, it will not lay at same ice white to the surface of the sand and eggs to the water. When they have grown to approximately the size of a dinner plate, they return to coastal water where they collapse and continue to march. 10 to 15 years after, depending on the species, adult sea turtle reach sexual maturity and able to mate. Once they reach sexual maturity, they will migrate to beaches around the world to nest. Did you know that it is not exactly how long sea turtles live in the wild?